Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the do while loop in C language. So let us start. First I share my laptop screen, and here the first we can see the flow chart of do while loop only syntax. So that is a start the entry control of compiler, and that is a rounded rectangle start and stop, and that body of loop, that is a directly one, at least one, that is loop is a in check in do while loop. Do and while, there is two keyword. So here not first initially check any condition, that directly execute one, at least one time. Do while loop is guaranteed that block of statement run at least one time, so that is guaranteed by do while loop. And then that enter in condition part. If condition is true, if the condition is true, then again that body of part is execute. That condition is again check. If then repetition until the condition is false. If that condition is false, then come out and execute next our program statement. So there are two type of loop in C language. Main is a two, that is a like entry control. Entry means that enter you that time condition check, like while loop and for loop. That condition is a first check, and then body of loop, that statement, or you can say the block of statement that execute. And here that is a reverse order, that is exit control loop. That is only one. Do while loop is only one example of exit control loop. So after that exit, that time condition is checked, so that is a do while loop. So now we can close this window and let us check one example. And here Turbo C++, I just double click and take some process, and now it's open. Yes. And Alt F, that file menu is open and taking new file. And here in comment line, I write the syntax of do while loop. That is a exit control loop, and guarantee at least that body of statement is executed at least one time. So that do is a keyword, yes, and then opening brace, that syntax. And here we can say that statement, or we can say that number of statement or number of statement, semicolon. Okay, every statement terminate with semicolon. And then closing brace, and not give enter key directly. Here you can write the while. So there are two keyword, and then that is a part semicolon, that we can say that up to till now, like if condition, else if ladder, nested if else, or switch case, decision all statement, and while and for loop, we can give say that you cannot provide here semicolon, but that is a now is a part of the this loop. So you cannot forget that is a part of syntax. So after the do and while, that condition is there. So here we can write, but that semicolon you can mistake, that give the error. So here we can say that condition. Okay, so that is a complete that syntax. So that is a do while loop, starting the do and opening brace, that one statement or number of, or we can also write that body of the loop. That is also in all loop. Like there are main categories two: entry control loop and exit control loop. Entry control is for and while example, and uh, entry control loop is while and for example. And exit control, there is only one loop, do while. Okay? That is two keyword, do and while, and that is a part of the syntax. Not forget, that is a semicolon after the condition. So now I give, that is single comment line. Now I convert in multi comment line. So complete here, that is your reference only. And now I start the header file stdio.h, that is a standard input output, and then console input conio.h, console input output, and taking main. And we can directly opening closing brace, and then first we can save our file, because if light is gone, then our program is also gone. So we can type two or one line, then we can save first, habit to save our file. So here we can give do, that is a keyword, and while. So maximum we can get 8. Yes, so that is a, I think uh, just 8 character. We can concat to underscore is allowed. but not taking reserve keyword. Do while loop is, do and while is a reserve keyword or keywords. So, but we can take underscore, so that concat. Okay, so that is our file name do while. So we can take that is a do while loop program. And like integer, I take I equal to first initialize 1, then clear the screen, yes, and then we can start do, then opening brace, and then body of the statement. We can print just series program like 1 to 10, yes, percentage d, and one blank space, and then print I variable. And here we can take I plus plus, and then closing brace, and exactly not give enter key, directly write here while, and then semicolon, not forget that is a part of the syntax. So I just alert to you. And then we can say that I less than or equal to 10. We can, or you can say that 5, there is 5 or 10, that is your requirement. And here we can get ch, so that is a, now save. F2 is a shortcut key, save file, and F9 compile, yes, that is no any error. And now control F9, so that is run. And we can provide one blank. You can also provide slash n. So one line, one element, or 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Then one 10 line, 1, 2, 3, 10 line is one element is print. So that is a we can say that horizontal, or you can also print vertical. So 1 to 10. So that is a do while loop. And here I can not give, by mistakenly I remove this semicolon. So what happened? That taking a one error, like let us check. Yes, giving one error. Do while loop statement missing the semicolon. That is, so we can alert to you. That is, I third time reminder you. So that is a part of syntax, because our habit for loop, while loop, decision, switch case, if else, ladder if, nested if else. So we cannot give any semicolon that condition. So here is a require. So we can by mistakenly give not semicolon, that time taking the error. So just we can sometime taking error, we can learn more. So that is, we can take error and get the knowledge what that happen is not, or that part of the syntax is semicolon or not. That is a proof. Here we can say that that is a proof. If we forget here semicolon and direct compile, so that taking the error. So that is a part of the syntax. Now it is a proof. Okay, so I remove this increment. That is no, you can increment in decrement operator in C language. So if you not watch my previous video lecture, that is operator. And here I give like here, so there is no any problem. I remove one statement in body of the loop, only single statement. There is no any error. Okay, so step by step we have to learn. Okay. Now, how I print my required number of times that loop is repetition. So take one integer variable, and then we can take like here enter number of, we can say that rows or elements. So and scan the n variable, number of element, or you can say that row, that depend upon message there is only. So and we can scan, and here we can give the static, we take n in condition part. So I less than equal to n. So we can runtime judgment how many series is print. Like here we can clear, yes. So here I give like 5. So the print is 5 only. So yes, clear screen is gone down, so that is not clear. I just stopped, so that is a not clear first one. Yes, so that is ready. Yes, so that is a okay. Now I print 100, so that print 100. So there is no limit 200. Your that give number of elements. So that type of number of elements like 1 to 100. Okay. And now we can also print alphabet. Okay, so I just give this comment line scanf, and here we can give the static. So I initialize I, like we can print our capital A to Z. So that is ASCII code, capital A, ASCII code is 65. And here I print the percentage C, that is a, and that the integer data type as it is, but here I just symbol is convert. So that print, and here I give to 90. So that is a A to Z, capital A to Z is print. Let us check. So that is A to Z, that is ASCII code. You refer some standard book. Also in my book is available in Nero publication in Ahmedabad, C programming books. Okay. So yes, and now we can print small, or you can also reverse order. Like here if I assign 90, and here we can reverse the condition. So we can say that here we greater than or equal to, and that's 65 up to, and we can, yes, I plus plus is there, so we can here give the minus minus, so then and then that otherwise taking the infinite loop, or so we can change the condition, that we can change that increment operator. Here we cannot give plus plus because I is assigned 90, so we can decrement operator, minus minus, not plus plus. Okay, so that is one value subtraction, or plus plus is a one value addition, so that is increment and decrement. So that print the Z, capital Z to A, reverse order. So let us check. Yes, so that is a series programming, you can say that. Okay, and also possibility we can assign here small set. You can identify your character ASCII code set. So here we can assign like 122, that is a start to small z, and here we can assign 97, that is a small a value of 997. So yes, small z to a, and if you change here yours previously, or that is we assign like 97, so we can change here appropriate plus plus, and we can order of condition we have to also less than, and here taking 122, that is a z ASCII code up to 97 and 122. So small a to z, that character our ASCII code set is there. So okay, so that is our requirement. Now I just change here one and open this our requirement, and that's yes, and plus plus is there, and here I give again and, so that is our require element we have to print as an integer. So thus that is a testing. Okay, yes, and take like 1 to 15. Okay, but we have to not change that symbol, that is a here is required to %d. So that is print the symbol. So now let us check 1 to 15. Yes, now is print. So appropriate all change, otherwise taking some you're not require output. So not getting any error, but that output is wrong. Okay, so last take we can do up to 200. So that is print, there is no any. So that is our requirement output. So that is a do while loop. That is very simple. And next upcoming my video lecture, I take one by one. So I hope you can understand, and subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Tuning. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. Okay. So any question for any programming of C, that you can write in comment section, or you can call me also. And I hope you can, your other college friend, or you can your any group, you can share my video lecture or subscribe, and you can press the bell icon. What happen, you can give one notification, so whenever I upload my YouTube channel Ashok Sijal Academy, so you can get one notification, so that video is a latest update, so you can get one notification. So that is a benefit. And some student not just subscribe my channel but not press the bell icon. So press bell icon is a very important for your reference notification. So I hope you can subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala, and thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture, and improve your C programming knowledge. Okay, thanks. Hare Krishna.